Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. We're here today on September 25th, 2020. We're going to talk about Ethereum and give you all the update on what we're expecting to trap, on where we're looking for him to take the value of Ethereum. And we do it in a simplistic fashion. We're not here to confuse you. We're not here to FOMO you or even fudge you. We're just simply here to give you all the news according to the charts and give you a heads up as to where the price is likely to go for this currency. Now, if you appreciate the content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join us on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, as well as on our own website. All the links for your convenience are in the description of all of our videos. Now, if you guys can recall, the last time we did our video on Ethereum was on the 15th of September, and we didn't put in a forecast. That's one thing you need to realize into the market is that if you don't see the ideal situation on the price chart, you don't jump in the market. Every day you don't have to go into the retail store, but when you do, you make sure you grab all the profits out the market while you're there. And on the 15th of September, we didn't see anything in the store that we wanted to buy, so we stayed out the store. Now today we're going to see if there's anything into the market that's on sale that we can possibly see strength, or is the market still weak and we're expecting lower price. The 15th, Ethereum was trading right around here. All right, so the market was trading in a sideways consolidational fashion on the 15th of September. We wanted to see how high the market was going to go, if we were going to break above 380. And then you guys can see on the 21st of September, we broke support of 360 to the downside. So we need to update this chart to substantiate what is really going on a daily perspective. Now, we're trading around $341 in Ethereum. Restriction way back, I would say in the beginning ending of August 2020, the market was around $420. It's not there right now. So we don't need to keep this line there on our chart. All we need to do is get rid of it. And here, the market on the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th was trending higher. The market is not in an uptrend anymore, so we don't need to keep this line there. Don't make your job difficult into the space. Price charts, you're able to adjust and revise the market, right? So if you were to bring the market ascending trend, which started back in March 2020, if we were to follow this continual movement in Ethereum, we're still in an uptrend. The market just became overly extended. I mean, it shot so high in price that we need to come back to an area of realization. Like, price was too expensive in Ethereum all the way back on the beginning of September. So now we're coming back into an area of realization into the market in Ethereum. And the next thing that you also can see that is very positive is when you see this here. Okay, I'm gonna draw this line. I want you all to see this. The trap is already telling you, he's telling me that $320, he loves that area for support, because back here in August of 2018, that was acting as restriction. Again, the market in Ethereum found $320 as restriction in June of 2019. But look at it this time. The market came and held support on August the 2nd, 2020. It came and held support August the 5th, 2020. And just last couple of days, the 23rd and 24th, the market in Ethereum came and held support at 320. I cannot emphasize this to you enough. 320 is a vital number that all of us need to pay attention to. The break is below $320 in Ethereum will be detrimental, to the point to $280 is going to be the next area of support, 280, 285. So we're seeing and already predicting what can likely occur if the trap breaks this price below $320. So don't be surprised. We've already told you what to expect when the market breaks 320 to the downside. Okay, but for the moment, we're noticing how the trap wants to hold 320. So at least we're still in a phase to where we can hold consolidational trading in between 320 for support and restriction at 360. So there's a $20 gap to which the trap can continue to conduct its business. It's that simple. Now, when we look at the market in Ethereum on a weekly time frame, you can see it right here. That 320 needs to be maintained as support. Not 280 is going to be next. Monthly time frame is still weak though. So what we're seeing into the market is just a reprieve from the weakness in the long term that is still here. The daily time frame is showing us that the trap currently wants to hold 320 as support. But when you look at the monthly chart in Ethereum, that is definitely hinting at weakness and continual movement to the downside. So depending on time preference, if you're in it for the long term, weakness is still here in the market in Ethereum. If we were to put in a long-term forecast for Ethereum, yes, we'll be saying that the market in Ethereum is forecast to go lower based off the screenshot, the snapshot as of today. Now we got 5 more days, and literally in the cryptocurrency space, the market can go $50, $100 in one day, which will alter what we're seeing right now in the market. And it's not coincidence to see the market hold this ascending line. But keep your eyes open. So what we're going to do on this particular video, we know 320 is restriction, right? I mean, it's not restriction, it's support. 320 is support, so I could get rid of that line. We really need to pay attention to how low this market is going to go over the next couple of days. Now we're going to continue to play strength into the market in Ethereum, but I'm telling you, only strength in the sense of trading within that consolidational range I told you about. 320 to 360, that's that range. But ultimately, I'm not that bullish into the market for Ethereum neither. So definitely, market needs to trade above 320. If you see the market on any given day break below 320 on weakness, you understand already that 280 is the next likely support area. So for this forecast, 320 has to be support. Trap breaks that to the downside. We already know that the weakness on the monthly time frame spills over into the daily. So again, 360. But for us, we're going to TP the market around $355. Even though we can, there, I would say it's 15% probability that the market can come and tag out 360, but 355 is where we'll take it. Okay. So this is it. This is our expectations of what we're looking for the trap to do. Now it's your turn. Let's dialogue. Where do you see the market trap bringing the value of Ethereum over the next couple of days? I would say 5 days. Where will the market be? Give us a price point and give us your TP price and direction on where you see Ethereum going. And it's that simple. Questions, comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we will talk again on our next video.